You can make it simply. I buy bagged salad mix and pour it into a container and pre-made guacamole and throw it on top. It works. And I love my smoothies because they're super fast and easy too. So. If your goal is to just have general good health, you don't really have any problems, then drink your smoothie and eat a plant-based diet. And it can include grains and beans and tofu and cooked vegetables and enjoy your life. It's great. If you are trying to reverse a disease, then make the majority of your diet, if not all of it, come from the healing foods. It doesn't have to be just smoothies. Smoothies just make it easy. Like, I would never be able to do a Q&A and eat a giant salad without it looking very strange. But I can sip my smoothie and chat. And it's fine, right? Hopefully it doesn't bother most of you. It's very convenient. You can work and you can drink your smoothie, but you don't have to do just smoothie. You can do salads. You can make fancy things. Like, I have some people, they'll use like dried nori, not roasted, and they'll put cauliflower rice and avocado in there, and they'll make their own raw sushi. Cauliflower, high nutrient. Cabbage leaves with cauliflower rice, vegetables, guacamole, pico de gallo, which is a raw salsa, taco night, right? So you can make this as fancy as you want, or you can just get it done. I'm a doctor. I'm not a chef. It's taken me a while to even accumulate the recipes that I've been putting together. And actually, thankfully, I've had recently some people want to donate more recipes so we can get something out there, because people are like, I want more meals. But it doesn't have to be. You can make it simply. I buy bagged salad mix and pour it into a container and pre-made guacamole and throw it on top. It works. And I love my smoothies because they're super fast and easy too. So it doesn't have to be just smoothies, but it can be if you want to. It's wonderful for your health.